Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is about how to replace basic phrases with advanced phrases. Let's have a look. Sorry, I apologize. I apologize for my mistakes. I am tired. I am drained. I am drained today. I think I need a nap. I am sad. I am gutted. He was gutted when she finished the relationship. I am happy. I am over the moon. I'm over the moon about our win. How are you? How's it going? Good luck. Break a leg. My classmates cheers for me. Break a leg. You will do great. I fell asleep. I nodded off. After a busy day, I nodded off. I'm listening. I'm all ears. I'm all ears to hear your plan. You are so young. You are youthful. She has a very youthful skin. Look into, investigate. You should investigate this matter. But, however, he wanted to play tonight. However, his injury kept him on sideline. Give it a try. Give it a shot. I found great reviews of this product, so I decided to give it a shot. Thank you for watching my channel and please subscribe for more.